Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's first open the Muviz search application, and now we should select one from these stamps. For example, let's use this one. Click to apply the stamp. To change the backgrounds, we should swipe to the up or to the down, then just apply them. If you want to hide music controls after 10 seconds, so just to don't hide them, slide to the left or to the right these white dots. To turn on or turn off the notifications and the date, you should click on the switchers, and to show battery status always while charging or never, select one from these options. Click to X icon to go back, switch your AUD to the settings, and then tap to always on display. Here you will see the switcher to turn on or turn off the AUD, to show it on lock screen always while charging or on music. Also we can change it, just use them separately. Also we can decrease or increase the brightness level to change screen timeout from 15 seconds to never, to change the orientation from the auto, portrait, landscape or reverse landscape. Also we can close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use fingerprint unlock method, we can close it with this fingerprint or on screen off, to set the shadow, the start and the end time, and to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.